and I'll be in Cali, baby. So that's the game plan. That's the game plan this morning. I do have a guilty confession. But first, where have I been all this time? What have I been doing for the last 8 weeks?
Oh, dang.
So if you watched my last video, you'll know that I've been in Tennessee for the last 8 weeks on an acute care rotation for physical therapy. But that's not all I've been able to do. Outside of my normal go to the gym, go into the hospital, I've been able to do some cool things. I was able to go off-roading for the first time. I won't lie, it was a lot scarier than I thought going into it, but ended up all working out. I was able to see some cool views, meet some new people, and it was just overall a good time. I was also able to go to Atlanta. I went for my birthday weekend and I was able to see some friends, and I was also able to visit my girlfriend who I hadn't seen in a while. What you're seeing now is the Botanical Gardens in Atlanta. Any of you single guys or couple guys, 10 out of 10 recommend you go out here for a date. It will not disappoint. Lots of quality time, you can walk around, talk, get to know each other. You know I'm just trying to put y'all on. And overall I had a good birthday weekend, I can't lie. Fast forward, and I'm packing up for a trip, 30 plus hours, and I don't know if I'm ready for it. Just kidding, I'm ready. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. It's 6 a.m. right now. I'm in my hotel room. I've been driving for the last 2 days. Right now I'm in Colorado. I probably have about a solid 10 more hours left. So right now I'm right on the border between Colorado and Utah. So now this morning I have to drive through Utah, through Nevada, and I'll be in Cali, baby. So that's the game plan. That's the game plan this morning. I got bags in my eyes. I do have a guilty confession. Last night when I got in, I stopped by and got a little bit of Chipotle.
Bruh. Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
That's not my confession. After my Chipotle, it's about 7:30. I'm like, let me do a little bit of shopping. But anyways, first item, it may not look like much from the front. It may not look like much from the side. But from the back, yeah. It's kind of giving me like Warren Lotus vibes. Now, the next two items I'm a little ashamed about. Y'all are gonna be like, Vince, you're going to Cali. Ain't it hot in Cali? It is hot in Cali. But regardless, I bought 2 buffer jackets. And in my head, I was telling myself, I'm going back to Michigan. I could use a new coat. At least I got a good deal. So I just got them. I'm not gonna think too hard about them. You can shame me in the comments if you want to for buying puffer jackets to go to Cali. First one's the first one right here. They're both Calvin Klein. There's the second one. No hoodie. You see the Calvin on the side. Both very warm, very comfortable. I'm not gonna try them on right now just because I might do that later when I can actually like put them together maybe with some clothes and make it look a little better. Anyways, man. I'm about to hit the road again in Colorado right now. On my way to Cali, California. The city of dawn. Top of the morning. I'm here, I'm in Cali. Cali boy, Cali lifestyle. Oh, lots to do, you feel me? But hey man, if you got this far in the video and you appreciate it, you enjoyed the content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be quick. This vlog was probably short, I'm not gonna lie. But I haven't been keeping up with the expectation that I set for myself for this YouTube thing. So I'm gonna try and be more consistent while I'm here. More vlogs, more tutorials, more everything. I got a series coming up I'm excited about. So I got stuff coming. I'm gonna be more consistent. But it might take a while for me to clean all this up before I start getting to editing. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.